So here's the thing. There are 800,000 people delivering groceries across India right now, and the moment it rains, they just lose their income. Completely. GigSafe is our answer to that. It's an insurance app that watches the weather, and the second a disruption hits a worker's zone, it pays them. Automatically. No claims, no calls, nothing. Think about Rajan. He's a Blinkit partner in Hyderabad. Normal day he makes around 900 rupees. Then a storm rolls in, and he genuinely cannot work. Groceries can't get wet, simple as that. He sits at home and earns zero. This isn't a rare thing. This happens every monsoon, every heatwave, every surprise curfew. And nobody, not a single insurance company, has built anything for him. That's kind of insane when you think about it. We're not just calling one weather API and hoping for the best. We pull from 3 sources simultaneously and only trigger a payout when at least 2 of them agree. Payouts happen through smart contracts on the blockchain, so no human can block or delay it. For fraud, we figured out pretty early that GPS is easy to fake. So we cross-checked 6 signals, cell towers, accelerometers, device fingerprints, because you can spoof a location, but you can't fake how a phone actually behaves in a storm. Here's our phase 1 prototype. Minimal scope, but every core flow is defined. 4 screens that show exactly how Rajan would use this app day to day. This is Rajan's home screen, his coverage amount, his zone status, green means clear to work, and his weekly premium tracker, everything he needs at a glance before his first delivery of the day. This is the screen that matters most. A storm hits his zone. GigSafe detects it. 42 millimeters per hour, full severity. Fraud check passes in seconds. Payout of 380 rupees, initiated automatically. Rajan didn't tap a single button. That's the whole point. And finally, his premium breakdown. 52 rupees this week. Base rate, zone risk, monsoon season, clean claim history giving him a small discount. Every factor visible.